Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to schedule a Facebook post on your mobile phone. Whether you want to schedule post for your Facebook page or your professional profile, this tutorial explains the whole process in a simple way. Scheduling Facebook post allows you to plan your content ahead of time so your post can publish automatically even when you are offline or busy. This is perfect for content creators, business pages, influencers, and anyone who wants to stay active on Facebook without posting manually every day. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video, and also if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, follow, or subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step now is to tap on your app to open it. So let me tap my Facebook app right away. So once your Facebook app opens up, just be sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Then the first step you have to take now is to tap on the plus icon at the top. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. So what I will do now is to tap on the first option, which is post. So let me tap on post. So I want to make a Facebook post. So in the process of making a Facebook post, I will show you guys how you can schedule a Facebook post. Then what you have to do now is to decide whether you want to make a photo post or you want to make a video post. So let me just select the video. Let me tap on it. Then let me quickly select one of my video. You can see guys, I've selected the video, so I can go ahead now to add the description. So let me add the description. Let me just add it once and for all. Right there guys, can see I've added the description already. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on next. You can see next right there at the top. So let me tap on next. So guys, now what I have to do now is to go ahead now to add a title. So let me quickly add a title to this video real quick. You can see guys, I've added a title. So the next step now is to scroll down. So let me scroll down to the bottom. You can see where it is written scheduling options. So for you to schedule a Facebook post, you have to tap on scheduling options. So let me tap on it. You can see guys, scheduling options, you can publish your post now or schedule it for later. So guys, you can see what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see schedule for later. So let me tap on this right away. You can see guys, it has directed us now to our calendar. So what you have to do now is to decide the day that you want this post to be made public. This is where you can be able to schedule it. So I want it, you can decide to choose whichever date that you want, but I want it to be the same day. So let me leave it at 6th. So it's going to be on the 6th of December. So let me tap on OK. So I'm going to decide a time that this post is going to be made public. So I can decide to put it at 6. So let me select 6. Then let me select 6 o'clock. Then I can select AM or PM. You can see where it's written AM or PM. So let me leave it at PM. Then let me tap on OK. Right there guys, can see I've been able now to schedule this post. You can see it's going to be made public on the 6th of December by 6 PM. You can see it right there. So what I have to do now is to tap on save. So let me tap on save. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on schedule. You can see guys, it's loading. Right there guys, can see it has started scheduling. You can see it is written scheduling. The arrow is pointing at it right there. It says scheduling, keep Facebook open. So guys, you can see this is simply how you can be able to schedule a Facebook post. In my next video, I will show you where you can find all your scheduled posts on Facebook. So just do it to like, follow, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, see you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.